I want you to do your God box. Lagyan mo lang ng papel, tapos printan mo o sulatan mo God box. Tapos every time, mag-worry ka ulit because of your children, sulat mo yun. My children's future. Breathe in, and you pray, then put that in your God box. Namumblema ka na naman sa pera. Sulat mo yung worries. Dasalan mo. Sabihin mo sa God box. Alam mo ginagawa mo pag gano'n? You're saying to the Lord, Lord, I surrender. And not only that, you're telling it to yourself, you're telling it to your amygdala, you're telling it to your frontal lobe, that I surrender these worries to God. Now, paano niyo ako mabibless? Ito yun. Paggawa niyo ng God box, I want you to post it in your Facebook or IG. And then, itag niyo ako. Doon mabibless ako. Bakit? Kasi nakita ko na ginagawan mo ng paraan yung worries mo. Ilalabanan mo, based on our learnings here, yung worries na nagpapabagsak